Bitcoin will see a minimum $200,000 in the coming years and could pass $500,000. A popular analyst predicts, in his latest update on long-term BTC price action, advisor and early Bitcoin evangelist Tor Demeester put BTC USD at up to $600,000 by 2026. Bitcoin hitting $50,000 this week comes amid renewed belief in higher levels to come. Bullish BTC price arguments for focus on the public finding effect of both April's block subsidy halving and the newly launched spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds. So while the former reduces the emission of new Bitcoin, the latter is already exerting additional pressure on the available supply. For Demeester, however, it is macroeconomic factors on the radar. In 21, Bitcoin topped at 69K, you summarize, of banks and governments. For example, U.S. government today is already spending more on interest payments than on their military. Only way to keep going is to print an ocean of money. A series of subsequent comments on X, formerly Twitter, reference systemic problems in the U.S. banking systems and government's future obligation to supply liquidity to halt their decline. This reflects a process that is already ongoing, with CryptoMoon reporting on potential risk asset price volatility hitting in March as a result. Asked where he expected Bitcoin to hit its next multi-year peak, Demeester added that anywhere from 2025 onward is possible. On the topic of mainstream interest, so far lacking despite Bitcoin being up nearly 12,000 in under a month, he argued that $50,000 represents a watershed. I expect for retail to start waking up soon, he wrote. And Demeester is well known for his decade-long contributions to the Bitcoin sphere, so in 2019 and 2020, meanwhile, he correctly predicted the most recent BTC price all-time high lying between $250,000 and $100,000. Not everyone believes that the future is bright for Bitcoin and altcoins. As CryptoMoon reported, even last month, bets on a long-term market reversal were building, including a drop to $30,000. One bearish voice continues to stand out. In his latest analysis, shared with Telegram channel subscribers, popular trader Bill Capo of crypto warned that the $50,000 mark represented a turning point of a different kind. I was bullish short-term from 40K because there were possibilities of reaching 50K. It just got hit. Now what, he queried? For most of the past year, Il Capo of crypto has maintained a BTC price target of just $12,000.